Plug TV. What's up, what people? It's a very own girl, Anyberry, and when you see Anyberry on Plug TV, you know I'm about to bring to you another movie that is about to hit the cinemas. So therefore, guys, I'm live here at IMA Cinemas Lekki for Bovi, the man of the moment, and the reason why we're here is for the movie premiere of My Village People, written by Bovi and produced, directed by me, Akim Molayo. If you have seen the wedding party, then you should know that this movie is about to get lit. Let's go see who is doing you while you're yet to get married, you're yet to buy a car, you're yet to build a house. Let's see what's happening. So follow me as I go watch this movie and bring the amazing guests ready on the carpet tonight. Come along, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we're still right here at the movie premiere of My Village People, and here is one of the representatives. You can see this, right? Okay, so hi, good evening.
I'm sorry?
Good evening.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm very excited. How to you too? Tell me how you feel looking in this.
Well, first of all, I'm really hot.
I know, right?
Apart from that, I'm great. I feel wonderful.
Yes,
And I'm so happy that I'm here on the red carpet and no one knows who this is. So I'm really excited about this. This is the first time I'm on the red carpet and I'm having so much fun. Like there's no pressure right now because I'm the village person.
Okay, so tell me, what do you have to say about this movie, My Village People?
Well, it's going to be an amazing film, to be honest. Anything Bovi does, you can be rest assured that it will be amazing, right?
It is getting super exciting tonight because the village people that I am seeing tonight are looking beautiful. I am beautiful village.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
How you doing?
I'm doing very well.
I love your outfit. So, turn around, turn around. Okay, so tell me, how long will it take you to let this go?
Honestly, like an hour. Yeah, an hour.
Alright, so what part of the village people are you representing?
Edo State. Yeah, we're repping it. Right.
Okay, so tell me, what are you expecting from this movie?
So, Bovi has been long in the industry. He's an amazing guy personally, and of course, we all know he's major when it comes to comedy industry and all of that. And I think I love the fact that, yeah, he has decided to diversify into the movie industry. I mean, he's been there and all of that, but this is something from him. And we all know how natural he is when it comes to comedy. So definitely I'm expecting so much, and I know he's going to pull it through.
Everybody? So guys, we meet here is forever. If you are into the comedy industry or you're so familiar with the comedy industry, then you know this man right here. So he's all out to support the Bovi, man of Bovi. Yes. Good evening, boss.
Evening, I agree.
How you doing?
Good, I like your energy. Let me start shouting too. I'm fine.
So tell me, why you not putting on your black enchantment, the enchantment black?
Well, I just feel that we are from different villages.
Right.
So we have to wear what suits our village.
So tell me, which of the village people are you representing?
I represent my own village.
Your village?
I'm my own king.
What's your
The Forever Village.
Forever Village?
The Forever Village.
Okay, so tell me, Forever, what are you expecting from this movie?
I'm expecting Bovi. You know, Bovi is equal to excellence, exceptionality. So whatever Bovi touches turns to good, of course. So I expect nothing less than Bovi from Bovi.
Okay,
yeah.
So aside Bovi, what other actors are you surprised to see in this movie?
Of course, the legendary Nkem. You can't have him in the movie and not expect to look up to him. Mad. So looking up to him, and then Zubby. I want to see how he would deal with all the witches because power must change hands in this.
All right, good evening.
Good evening. Good
What's going on?
I'm blessed. I'm from.
How do you feel to be here tonight?
Feel excited. I'm
So
happy.
tell me, which of your village people are you representing?
In Racheal State.
Oh, really? From Umeh.
Wow, good to see you. Good to see you.
Yeah.
All right.
So tell me, what do you feel about this movie?
I feel excited. I feel like it's a classic. All my legends in one movie. So
No, my legends like Nkem, Owoh, Sophia, Bovi, Boma, Chelsea, Noje, come on, like, it can't be any better, yeah.
So, tell me, do you believe in mystical powers?
Well, I believe that life is spiritual. Yeah, that's my perspective. So I think life is spiritual, yeah.
With me again here is another village representative. Let's know which of the states she is representing.
Yes, I'm Nkem and I'm from River State.
So you're representing
River State, yes, River State village people.
Alright, so tell me, how long did it take you to this?
It took me long. It took me long. See, listen, if you're Rivers and you're watching this, it took me too long to be here today. 5 hours at least. So look at the hair. Look at the dress.
Are you in this movie?
Huh?
Are you in this movie?
No, I'm in the movie now. My friend Bovi is in this film. Teresa Adam is in this film. Sophia Alakija is in this film. And I have worked with Bovi. But you see, today I'm here as an able representative from River State to come and support the village people both here in Lagos and in Okrika. And that's that. Now, if you want to watch me, you can watch the most trusted girl in Lagos, in fact, in the world. Just Google it. Put it on YouTube. It's free.
Yeah. All right, so tell me, what are you expecting from this movie?
I just want to laugh, I want to have a good time. I want to see what having village people actually looks like. Because me, as far as I'm concerned, I don't have. I'm covered by the blood.
Okay guys, you shouldn't be surprised because I'm right there with the freaky daddy. Should I send you my account?
Yeah, after this you see me in private corner. So,
okay,
yeah.
Thank you.
They will not see you.
I guess. Okay, so tell me, Mr. Koroni, how do you feel to be here tonight?
Oh, I'm excited. Anything that has to do with coming together with amazing entertainers in this space, in our industry, is always a thing of joy for me. The entertainment industry is one of the greatest resources that this country has. And all we need is to support one another. Yeah.
So, do you believe in mystical powers?
Well, yes, so I believe in the supernatural. I believe that the supernatural exists.
Okay, guys, with me here is the boo of the flatmates. If you've not received flatmate, then you're missing. Here is the brain behind it. Good evening, sir.
Hello, everybody. How you guys doing? Good evening.
Very well, thank you. So tell me, Basketman, how do you feel to be here tonight?
Well, I'm happy. I'm excited. It's been a while I did this, and it's Bobby stuff. So I'm excited for him as well. So we're here to celebrate him. We're here to experience. This is the first of its kind. So yeah.
So which of the village people are you representing?
I'm Igbo. I'm from Abia State. Don't laugh. My governor just talking here today.
Ladies and gentlemen, with me here is another village people, but I want to know which of the states he is representing. So tell me, good evening, answer.
Dig work for me. Dig work for me. That means you say make work.
Okay, so tell me, what are you expecting from this movie?
I'm expecting an absolutely amazing time. I love Nkem, Owoh, so I cannot wait to see what he brings for us. He's always amazing.
So aside Bovi himself, which other actor are you surprised to see in this movie?
Francis Sule and Sophia Alakija.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're still right here at the movie premiere of My Village People. I mean, the village people that I am seeing tonight are looking more beautiful. Like beautiful. Turn around, Sharon. I
don't know why we're dancing today on this red carpet.
All right, so Sharon, tell me what you are expecting from this movie.
First of all, it's Bovi. Excellence. Do you understand? Everything that Bovi brings out is excellent. This is a Bovi Stan account standing here. Yes, so I know that the film will be fantastic. Just from the name alone, I already know what to expect. Bovi is someone, if you follow his career, you can tell that he's really smart, how he thinks. So I can only imagine what this film would be like. And then his collaborations as well, his director, the actors he used, I'm 100% sure will be fantastic.
It's the one and only law of Africa. And you can see myself and Mama, we're matching same color. Yeah. Blue, magical blue, enchanted blue. Okay, so Mama, tell me, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling great actually. It's a beautiful night.
Okay, so tell me, what are you expecting from this movie?
Humor, loads of humor. And of course a few scares. Yeah, it makes me like, oh, but it's gonna be okay, it's alright.
Okay, Mama, do you believe in mystical powers?
Of course, we're Africans. What do you mean? What kind of question is that? You must believe in Aje and all those Yawa, Owoh Shoronga, and people like you too. We need to respect you.
Okay, so Mama, sell out this movie to people.
If you don't watch her, the village people go see catch you. So better may you watch her, may you know how they be, so they know catch you.
Okay, guys, with me here is Zubby of the Owoh Nation. Yes, because I saw the video. It choked. Good evening. How you doing?
I'm blessed, and you?
How do you feel to be in this movie?
I'm excited, though. I'm excited because it's something great. I'm happy to be here. As a matter of fact, this is my first movie premiere in Lagos. Yes, sir. This is the first one, so I'm like, wow! It's out!
With me here is the energy god of Plugtv.ng.
How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you. Good to see you again.
Good to see you too.
Okay, so tell me, what's up with this attire?
Well, first, it's a movie, and the movie already explains, it's a theme. It says mystical black and enchanted blue. So I wanted to just come up and do my own thing, you know. Shout out to the kind of stylists that I have. And for the solidarity for the Twitter ban, I just had to come with my own lantern so we can see things.
So what part of the village people are you representing? What state?
Well, I'm from Ondo State. What's up?
Alright, so do you believe in mystical powers?
Yeah, I'm not superstitious, but I believe in a high power. You know, I believe there's something higher than you do. So, for whatever it is,
Tell me how you are representing your village people.
I'm not.
Alright, how are you, Alazona? How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. You look simple. Is this your own enchantment blue?
Yeah, this is enchanted blue, yes. This is enchanted blue.
Okay, so tell me what I'm expecting from this movie.
I expect to be entertained. I want to laugh, and I want to, enjoy a good story. Yeah.
Alright, so aside Bovi in this movie, which other actor are you looking forward to?
My girl, Benita.
Okay, guys, with me here is one of the legendaries of the Nollywood stars with me. Give it up for Mommy Racheal Oniga. I'm so happy because myself and Mommy were actually putting on same enchantment. Yes. Okay, so Mommy, tell me, how do you feel to be here tonight?
I'm highly honored, I'm excited, I'm happy, I'm here tonight.
Okay, so how did you feel when you first got the script of this particular?
Well, when I saw the script, I said, this I must do. It's a must do. I have to be part of it. And I'm happy I took on the job, and everything went well in short. So I would have been angry with myself if I had not been part of that movie.
Okay, guys, with me again, that is representing your village people, is the one and only finest, cutest,
You're looking good.
Thank you. How are you, Abaya?
Not bad. How you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
Right.
So, what parts of the village people are you representing? What state?
Well, I'm originally from Ekiti State, Ekiti. I know I said it's
Alakija.
Alakija. Oh, man. I stop on
Okay, so tell me, Abraham, what are you expecting from this movie?
Well, I'm expecting, in as much as I expect a lot of comedy. I mean, I've seen the trailer, it seems quite funny. But again, it's my village people now. I expected some sort of horror things going on, mystic things going on. So let me say I expect some sort of comedy horror or horror comedy, whatever that is. Yeah.
Okay guys, we meet here again at the movie premiere. Is one of the cast in this movie, and I'm super excited to have you here, dancer. Thank you so much. You're welcome. So tell me, what parts of the village people are you representing? What state? Sorry? What state are you representing?
Now we're representing Nigeria. No particular state.
Okay. So tell me, how do you feel to be in this movie?
Oh, I feel very privileged to be in this film. I mean, I got to work with actors I've grown up watching, actors I admire, and it's a different film. So I feel really grateful that I'm on it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm right here with the man of the day, the main reason why everyone is gathered here tonight. Give it up for Bovi.
Thank you, thank you.
Are you feeling it tonight?
I'm okay, good. We're about to go in for the movie right now.
Alright, so tell me, for how long have you been preparing for this movie?
A long time, man, a long time. And I'm just happy we started. And I can't wait for people to watch it and see what they think about it. And I hope they like it.
Oh my God, guys! It's such an amazing night. I mean, tonight was mystical. It's so mystical, and it's gonna be mystical because if you fail to see this movie, you're gonna miss. Bovi did a great job in this movie. I mean, my village people, it's a must for you to watch it, guys. It's coming out June 11. Please come to any cinemas close to you. Come watch it with your friends. You need to see the secret. At the point I was wondering, why is it that the females, I mean all of the women, were pursuing Bovi. They were after Bovi in this movie. I'm not going to tell you the reason why. Come watch it yourself. June 11 in our cinemas across Nigeria. Thank you so very much for staying tuned. I still remain your humble girl, into the NNY, BERRY. Anybody, keep plugging on Plugtv.